Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see how to perform the order of operation with numbers involving decimals. So in here, we talked about this procedure in my other presentations, but I want to explain this one more time. The order of operations we can perform using this catchphrase PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, E stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first, in any equation involving decimals or any numbers, we want to open up the parenthesis, or we want to work with the numbers given to us inside the parenthesis. Then we want to expand any exponents involved in that operation. And then the next operation we want to do is perform the multiplication from left of the equation to the right of the equation. I'm going to put it in parentheses like that. And then next we want to perform the division from left of the equation to the right of the equation. And then we want to perform the addition also from left of the equation to the right of the equation. And lastly, we want to perform the subtraction from left of the equation to the right of the equation. So this is the order of operations we want to use in simplifying any equation involving decimal numbers. Let us take a simple example in here and then see if we can apply this PEMDAS process or order of operations process to simplify that example. We want to simplify, let me write this one here. Simplify 0.2 open parenthesis 5.6 minus 2.5 close parenthesis plus 1.4, the whole thing raised to the power of 2. So this is what we have. So for this example, we want to follow these following steps. Step number 1. We will write down the order of operation process. We're going to use PEMDAS to perform the operation. Wherever we have parentheses, we're going to open it up or simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. Wherever we have exponents, we will simplify that. Wherever we have to do multiplication, we'll perform that. And sometimes we may not have any operation to perform, so we'll skip that and go to the next operation. So that is the way the PEMDAS or the order of operations work. So step number 2, we want to simplify the terms inside the parentheses. So we write the whole expression down, 0.2 open parentheses 5.6 minus 2.5. So 5.6 minus 2.5. We want to simplify that. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. So therefore 5.6 minus 2.5 is equal to 3.1. Plus we want to expand 1.4 raised to the power of 2. This is the second step, 1.4, the whole thing raised to the power of 2. In step number 3, we want to be able to expand the exponent. So first what we did, we've simplified the numbers inside the parentheses. Now we are looking at the exponential part. So in here we have 1.4 raised to the power of 2. So what does that mean? This means this is 1.4 times 1.4. So 1.4 times 1.4, these are two decimal numbers. When we multiply them out, the value comes out as equal to 1.96. So we write that here. So 0.2, we can now drop the parentheses and then write this one as 0.2 times 3.1 plus 1.4, we have expanded it, and then 1.4 times 1.4 is equal to 1.96. So to come back to this step 1, we have we simplified the numbers inside the parentheses, we expanded the exponents. Now the third operation we need to perform is multiplication. So we look at the numbers here and then see if we have any multiplication going on. Yes, we have multiplication going on. 0.2 times 3.1 is what we need to perform. So we'll write that in step number 4. In step 4, when we take 0.2 and multiply that by 3.1, the result is going to be equal to 0.62. Sorry, let me erase this. This should be 0.62 plus 1.96. So we were able to perform the multiplication. There is no division involved in here, so we'll put a cross mark on it. There is addition going on, so we'll do the addition process. There is no subtraction, so we'll put a cross mark on it. So therefore, in step number 5, we're going to take these two numbers and add them. 0.62 plus 1.96. So we're going to add these two numbers. 1.96 plus 0.62. 6 plus 2 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry 1. Write the 5 there. 1 plus 1 is 2. So therefore, when we add these two numbers, the value is going to come out as equal to 2.58. And this is our answer. This is the way we want to be able to use the order of operation to simplify an expression involving decimal numbers. In my next presentation, we shall look at some more examples related to order of operations with decimal numbers.